So it's been absolute ages since I've been back on YouTube, and I was wondering what better way to start back on YouTube by showing my hair care routine. So much has happened. So much has changed. If you're new, hi, my name is Raval. I am a life coach. Make sure to subscribe to this channel if you're interested in self-development / self-love videos. And today's video is going to be all about my current hair care routine. This is my natural brushed hair. Of course, it is quite thick and it's got a lot of frizz. My hair is between 2C and 3A hair. It's wavy, it's curly, it's also got some straight bits, which is why I did try a full year of going back curly and natural and I just did not enjoy it. So I've created a new hair care routine which I absolutely love and which I would like to share if you have my kind of hair. Because it's already so voluminized, I prefer a more blowout look, and today is wash day, which is why I thought it would be perfect to make this video. So to start out, I'm going to brush out my hair, get rid of all tangles with my detangler brush. I did try and detangle before I start this video because I didn't want it to take too much time. So I do have seborrheic dermatitis, which is why I've been given this by my doctor. It's called Doabet. I don't think you can get this without prescription. So whenever you do your hair care routine, first start with your scalp, and whatever your scalp needs, give it that. For someone else who's trying to grow their hair, it could be rosemary oil or rosemary essential oil. Some people also prefer onion juice, which does help in hair growth. And I'm going to go ahead and massage that in. My scalp is extremely dry and prone to build up in winter. Now that I have the medication on my scalp, I'm going to go ahead and mix 3 oils, starting with melted coconut oil. I'm going to go ahead and put in some jojoba oil, not too much, just about 3, 4, 5, 6 pumps. And the third oil that I'm going to use is castor oil. I'm just going to use 2 pumps as it's a very thick oil. That should be enough. Less is more. I'm going to go ahead and mix that with my fingers and start applying that from my roots to my end. And I'm just going to use my hands for this. I'm not going to section my hair. Actually, I'm going to divide my hair into 2. So now my hair is almost saturated in these oils. I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up for about 30 minutes. And I'm going to use a cap that I've bought from Amazon, and I'm going to microwave that for 1 minute to give the heat so that these oils can marinate in my hair and actually be beneficial. I'm going to keep that for 30 minutes, wash my hair, and then come back to you guys. I am back. This is my hair completely wet. And before I show you the products that I'm going to apply now, I'm going to show you what I used in the shower. First, I used the Capasal therapeutic shampoo. This was given to me by a dermatologist for my seborrheic dermatitis, and then I followed that up with Pureology hydrating shampoo and their conditioner as well. The shampoo is perfect for dry colored hair. My hair has had balayage done recently, and after doing a lot of research, I decided to buy this shampoo, and so far so good. And I'm gonna start with the Color Fanatic 21 leave-in conditioner. I think this is so important. Any sort of leave-in conditioner before you start styling your hair, I think, is important, because your hair is currently at this stage where it just absorbs any product that you put in it right after shower. And I'm not going to go super ham. I do have thick hair, so I'm going to put more than someone who has medium hair. And then I'm going to use this Frizz Dismiss cream that has heat protection as well. And this is important if you're doing any sort of heat styling. I'm just going to take a little bit and just rub it all over my hair. I'm not going to take too much. Less is more. Now I'm going to go back to my detangler and just detangle everything. This is also going to help with spreading the products. Now I'm gonna start blow drying my hair with this Revlon one-step blow dryer. I only started using this a month ago and I'm obsessed with how smooth and how easy it is to blow dry my hair with this. It basically replaces a round brush and a hairdryer in a salon. But of course, before I start that, I'm going to go ahead and section my hair into 4 sections. My hair is not soaking wet, but it's still super wet. I don't want to go and use a hairdryer first because that will create frizz, and once it creates frizz, it's going to stay like that and it's going to be more susceptible to staying frizzy. Again, this is what works for me. Doesn't mean that it's going to work for you, so just make sure to do what works best for you. And I'm gonna take a small section. Actually, I'm gonna start from the front. So this has completely dried. It went from wet to dry within a minute, and this is why I love this brush. I used medium heat, and I think this is the least damaging. Of course, whenever you use a heat styler, it's always going to damage your hair, but you want to take as much steps as possible to try and not damage your hair. It still feels a little bit wet here, so I'm going to go ahead and apply some more heat, and then I'm going to go to the next section. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my hair off camera. I'm just gonna leave the front section of the hair to show you how I do that section, because it's different from the rest, to give me that blowout look. As you can see, most of my hair is now dry, and this literally took me 20 minutes. I am going to go ahead and now style the front of my hair. I'm going to go ahead and use the Revlon brush again. And I'm gonna just use this roll and roll my hair back. So usually if I'm staying home, I would stop at that because I don't want any more heat on my hair, and I would style my hair the next day as I want with the Dyson. But I'm gonna take it one step ahead today, and I'm gonna use the Dyson today because I do plan on going outside. I'm gonna go ahead and take a thick section, as much as this Dyson can hold. And then I'm gonna let that pop out and then quickly pin it. That's what I'm gonna do with the rest of the hair. Dyson usually just rolls the hair around itself, but because I want it to be a little bit tighter, I twist as I go. So that's one side done. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side and get back to you guys. Now that all of my hair is up, I'm gonna go ahead and use a fixing spray. I'm gonna use the Technique Art from L'Oreal. I'm gonna use very light because I don't want that crunch in my hair. I'm going to leave this for 30 minutes and then come back and show you guys the final look. It's been 30 minutes, which was enough time for me to have my lunch as well, and now it's time for the big reveal. That looks so thick, but I promise you I'm gonna open it up and it's gonna look even more nice. Okay, so that's all opened up. Now I'm just gonna go over with my hair and brush it out a little bit. Look at that to find my middle part. That looks absolutely gorgeous. I love it. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some Olaplex number 7. It's gonna give me some shine and it's amazing for my hair. Not too much. I'm gonna rub that in and I'm just going to put that on my hair. And this is my current hairstyling and hair care routine. This entire hairstyling routine, including the 30-minute wait, was almost 1 hour to 1 hour 15 minutes, which I think is worth it, especially because I do this only once a week. That's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe for more self-development and self-care videos like this.